Good Tuesday afternoon, everybody. March 13th, 2018. Welcome to another edition of Talking Fitchburg. There's that guy. There's this guy. There's this good person back here. And there's Andrew. We're all here. Howdy. How's everybody doing today?
Howdy, howdy.
I'm here.
Doing it.
Here I am.
It's kind of interesting. We've all been together for like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Not even.
Not even.
It's just been one of those mornings.
Even Steven.
All over the place.
Yeah. Normally it's you're the one who's like all over the place, and we're just sitting here like you do all the work, and we're just standing around.
Oh, tell me about it.
And now it's you know, today you got to stay in the office, and everybody else is out and about. So
I got to go on a rooftop today. So
yeah.
Woo.
yeah.
Good
Yeah.
times.
Safety first.
Yes.
Rooftop
first.
safety, newest segment coming.
Harnessed.
At some point.
I'll make sure I pull that together.
I trust in that.
I have a roofing project this summer.
Rooftop safety
There you
from the roof of
You
your
need
house.
a new roof or what?
Yep.
Oh.
And
boy.
you gentlemen
I'm busy
are
that day.
invited.
We're invited. Wow.
Well, thank you
Don't
so
worry,
much.
I'll be providing the refreshments, food.
I said I'll make the food.
I'm
for
allergic
you.
to
nails.
shingles, though.
You're allergic to shingles?
Yeah.
Well,
too.
it's a good thing I'm not using shingles.
Also copper or tin
Or metal.
and bamboo
And roofs.
and heights. Yeah.
And
There
blue
you go.
sky.
Heights. Oh, man.
You're allergic to
Yeah.
heights. Wow. What's
Yeah.
your reaction?
Oh, boy. Don't you want to know?
I do.
I can't even describe it here on this program. This is a family show.
Oh,
Yeah.
gotcha.
Bad News Bears.
It is Bad News Bears. Hey, it's nice out there, too.
It
and,
is.
Warm temperatures continuing. I saw into the weekend, guys, coming up. Like almost 50. Like
Almost
40,
50?
48,
I know.
You
47.
can catch
nice.
me out there doing kickflips this weekend, ladies and gentlemen. If it hits above 40, I'm rolling on down to the skate park.
What's the super, as long as we're going down.
Let's go
we're
down
rolling
this-
down this path.
Let's do it.
What's the really super long skateboard called?
A longboard.
Here, I thought it was going to be something cool.
Nope, that is
No,
what it's
that's
called.
the
Yep.
longboard.
Like the something or another, but no,
Yep.
the longboard.
It's a longboard.
And that's just for travel, right?
I mean, yeah.
You don't
Or you
really
can be a
wanna-
real cool.
It's
I used to have
usually
a
for
friend
cruising.
who is super awesome, very
Yeah.
cool and good at stuff, unlike, everybody else that I know. But he would use a
Ouch.
longboard and a half pipe and could do a kickflip on a longboard. And I was like, now that's impressive because
Yeah,
those things
that's-
are heavy.
How many times did he fall?
Like never. He's incredible.
Like never.
Like never.
He's a legend.
Mm,
He's a
Don't
legend.
a legend like no other.
Yep.
We,
Shout out to him. He
we
knows.
biked. We didn't,
Oh, yeah.
never got into the skateboarding thing.
Yeah.
Also, I had a different body then, so
Who didn't?
that body left me a long time ago.
Who didn't?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not fair.
Good stuff.
It isn't. It really isn't fair. Time goes on, though. There's a song about that somewhere.
Time is on your side.
Sure. Yeah, that's the one.
All right. Well,
What do we got on the show today?
Andrew?
Mr. J.
and
Hey.
can Andrew tell us what's on the show?
Andrew, what's on the show today?
Sure, we got headlines. You got
Boom.
digest, and you got the guest who's independent living.
Hey,
That much
was
I
a
do
really
know.
great preview.
That
Thank
was a
you.
great preview.
Thank
Right
you.
there.
Thank you.
Coming
Oh,
up on the digest is
Yes.
Inside Business preview, guys.
Yes.
Get pumped. We're gonna give you the
looks
inside
pretty
look.
sweet.
It is it's phenomenal.
Mhm.
Setting the bar real high.
I'm
Good
excited
stuff.
about it.
Uh-huh.
Me
So,
too.
yeah, you got that coming up in digest. Let's kick it off with headlines and turning our attention to Fitchburg Police Department working on a homicide that was on Anton Drive. It took place on March 12th. Yeah, it was yesterday at around 5:43 p.m. Fitchburg Police Department were dispatched to 5154 Anton Drive for a report of a shooting. Arriving officers located a 24-year-old male with a gunshot wound. That male was transported to an area hospital and was later pronounced deceased. The preliminary investigation indicates there was a disturbance at 5154 Anton Drive involving several males, including the victim. During this disturbance, at least one shot was fired, striking the male. The other subjects involved fled on foot and have not been located. No information is available regarding the subjects that fled, and no one is in custody at this time. It does not appear at this time that it was a random act of violence. The Fitchburg Police Department is conducting investigation into this homicide. The Dane County Medical Examiner will be conducting a forensic autopsy on the deceased male. Assistance at the scene was provided by Fitchburg Fire, Fitch-Rona EMS, and Madison Police Department. Fitchburg Police Department is asking anyone with information, they're asked to call Madison Area Crime Stoppers, 266-6014. It's an anonymous line. Also, you got the Fitchburg Police tip line, 270-43 21, or you can text 847-411 using the keyword Fitchburg to the tip line. Did talk to Chief Chad Brecklin this morning, just if there was any other updates. He told me there was not, but as soon as they have more information,
There
they
is
will
one
pass
update
on.
to the story, though. In the story, it's reported that the male is 24 years old, but he's a 20-year-old, in fact. So
From the first.
that is updated on the story.
Gotcha. From the first initial.
Right.
Mhm.
So,
Not that conversation. Yeah.
gotcha.
Any other. So.
All right. So, yeah, we'll keep you updated if we hear any more. But now we switch to a lighter subject, a lighter note, and a congratulations is going to be in order here for the Fitchburg Fire Department. Over the weekend, firefighters Ryan Kundert and Kevin Kelm participated in Fight for Air Climb in Milwaukee. They've both been active participants in this event for several years, but this year, Ryan was the first place firefighter finisher. So congratulations to both of them, and congrats on taking the top spot, and might I say, by a good margin of time there. You got like 31 extra seconds on the second place finisher. So, congratulations.
He was watching those Olympics, and he's like, "Yeah, this is gonna be."
Got inspired.
Here we
It's
go.
inspirational, but there you go.
Congratulations. Yeah, we did a story on this last year with him,
Mhm.
and so I'll see if we can't follow up with him now that he's caught his breath. That's right. Thank you for the. Thank you.
No problem.
All right, the open house for Verona Road construction projects happening this week, the first of many. Open house will be held on Thursday, March 15th to discuss design and construction activities for stage number 2 of the Verona Road 18151 project here in the Fitchburg area. This meeting kicks off at 5:30 p.m., runs through 7:30 p.m., and a brief construction preview will be shared promptly at 5:30. Otherwise, stop by at your convenience. And this is over at the Verona Road Project Office, or their field office. I always like to say project, but field. Verona Road Project Field Office, 6200 Nesbitt Road, Suite B, right here in Fitchburg.
Kaboom. You nailed it. All right. Also, same day, different event in Verona Area School District. They're inviting you out. The Board of Education is inviting you out to join them in a listening session to share your input and ask any questions surrounding the preliminary list of security features and practices planned for the new high school. The listening session will be held at Badger Ridge Middle School Step Room on Thursday, March 15th from 7 p.m. to 8:15 p.m. Representatives from the architect and construction team, as well as administration and district security team members, will be present to assist with additional information on the topic. There you go.
Fantastic. All right, moving forward, join us on celebrating some art with the Madison Art Day for an art crawl through Fitch-Rona.
Woo!
Figure that one out. It's the Fitch-Rona Art Crawl, Friday, March
Get
23rd and 24th. Get crawling. You've got, this is going to be awesome. This is happening with a number of businesses, connecting neighbors, and celebrating the arts.
And crawling.
Yeah, 15 local businesses, which you'll be able to go to and see the different art, hang out with the businesses, and just enjoy yourself.
Cool.
I'm very excited about this. We'll be previewing this event. Yahara Bay is kind of the what I would call the middleman in this.
Cool.
pulling all this
Two-day
together.
event here.
Mm-hmm. 2-dayer.
Cool.
It's gonna be
Cool,
great.
Cool. I'm excited about that. Check that out on Facebook as well. They have a whole event set up so you can find out more. All right. Now it's time to talk about what's coming up tonight, March 13th at 7 p.m. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be episode 1 of Inside Business. Ba-da-da-da! That's right, it's premiering at 7 p.m. on this very channel, the community channel. I'm getting farther and farther away and down a hole. But watch it.
That's right. And coming up next, we are going to preview a little bit of that first episode here in the digest. So that means one thing: we need to take a break. That way you can get to see that first episode. A lot coming up here on Talking Fitchburg. Stay tuned. We're having a great day so far, and you dropped your chair again. Unbelievable. We'll be right back.